Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. What you have to do, you need to just go to search bar and type your task manager, then click here to open task manager, then click on run new task. Once we're here, we need to click on browse button, then simply go to this PC, open C drive, then we need to open Windows folder. In the Windows folder, we need to open system32 folder. Just double click on it to open it, and once we are in the system32 folder, we need to find out cmd.exe file. Just scroll down and you will get cmd file. Just simply select it and click on open. Now check this box. This is very important. Create this task with administrative privileges, then click on OK. Once we are here, we need to close all the background windows and we will focus on the main command prompt window. Now type here gp update and hit enter. So this command will take several time to complete the process. We need to wait for it, and once done, we will move to the next command, that will be sfc /scan now and hit enter. And this process will take some time, around 15 to 20 minutes, depends upon your computer configuration how fast it is. And once done, we need to simply press type exit to close the command prompt window. And you can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. Once this process done, simply we will restart your system and problem will be solved. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.